Discover the wonders of nature in just 45 seconds. Nature is all around us, from the towering trees to the tiny insects on the ground. It provides us with clean air, fresh water, and sustains all life on Earth. But beyond its practical benefits, nature also has a profound impact on our well-being. Just a few minutes spent in nature can reduce stress and improve mental clarity. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, take a moment to step outside and appreciate the beauty of the natural world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on nature and other topics.